Welcome to Chiang Mai, Thailand's second largest city. Chiang Mai was once capital of the Lana Kingdom, and due to its agricultural richness, it was known as the land of a million rice fields. So what better place to get a taste of the local cuisine? I hope you guys are hungry, because today we're off on a bit of a food safari. There's no way anyone would come to Thailand without learning to cook some authentic eats. Welcome to the best Thai cooking course, one of our me time optionals. We're here with Chef Perm, a local from Chiang Mai, who's going to teach you guys some skills.
สวัสดีครับ My name is Perm Poon and this is my cooking school. Today I will do my best to pass on my knowledge and my cooking trick for you. We're gonna prepare tom yum soup, Penang curry, chicken with cashew nut, pad thai, and the famous Thai dessert, the sweet sticky roasted mango. Let's start it. So everyone, are you hungry yet? If you're hungry, we're gonna cook now. If you're not hungry yet, we're gonna cook it anyway. So all the cooking utensils already provided for you. Everyone have a knife, quite sharp, not sure too slowly. Make sure no extra protein. We're gonna cook chicken with cashew nut in adventure style. Everyone add garlic in. Hold the ball. Tip the wok down. Down like this. Move the wok down. Hold the ball. Hold the ball. Tip the wok down like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Start. What? The chicken go outside.